How to make your Android phone never turn off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop your screen from turning off automatically. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Display to open the display settings. At this point, tap on Screen Timeout. Let me show you. In the next step, you'll see a list of timeout options ranging from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the list and look for the Never option if available. Tap on it to stop your screen from turning off automatically. At this stage, your screen will now stay on indefinitely until you manually press the power button to turn it off. Following this, go back to your home screen and check that the screen stays on without timing out. From here, let me show you another method. Go back to Settings and scroll down and tap on Developer Options. From there, once inside Developer Options, scroll down and look for Stay Awake and toggle it on. At this stage, this will keep your screen on whenever your phone is charging. It's a great option if you need the screen to stay on while plugged in. And that's it. If this guide helped you keep your Android screen from turning off, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.